Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're going to do how long can you stay in boxer. We're gonna do challenges and read this tutorial. So we can't read the video. We're gonna do challenges. We're gonna do challenges and tests in the mall and see how long we can stay there, guys. So guys, let's go, guys. We are in boxer now. Ooh. So guys, we're gonna jump, guys. I'm nervous. We're now gonna see for how long we can stay in boxers. We're gonna do some challenges and some tests. Just give us some 30 minutes, 20 minutes, so we can scope out the place. Then we will be back at you guys. Guys, I'm buying food.
I tried, but
Sean. So guys.
let's go buy the 5 minutes.
I wonder, do you guys think we should do the first challenge?
You know what? I'm gonna just take a cool drink right now and then I'm gonna do
What is it?
I don't know, like I'm gonna
There's no space here to drink.
I'm gonna drink it, then I'm gonna leave it.
Nee, dog. Look here, there's a cool drink here.
But there's cameras there.
Check it. Oh. Where's Roshan? Them machos? Bro, literally.
Yeah, they.
Wait. Oh, what's? Ay, check je, bro. Nee, bro. Check je, Omvik. Die leidt die gekoelering. Massa. Regen, bro. Roshan. Guess what it is, bro? Do what choose. He drinks Roshan.
$9.99 I choose.
Guys, let's not buy it. No, not now.
No, but just so long, so
Let's leave it here, maar so long.
was weggepakt.
Huh?
Getting back the way, I just let's keep it.
Okay, dan zouden we nog.
What is it?
My fans, bro. My fans, there, bro. It's ready now. We're gonna play hide and seek for the first challenge. I'm gonna make first. Second, who's going second? I'm gonna make you going second. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna give you guys 20 seconds to hide, guys. Then I'm gonna come look for you. And guys, where I'm gonna make them. If I see you,
You stay here.
you stay there. You can't move. I caught you. If I see you,
Just go with the player.
huh?
No, just go with someone.
Yeah, you can make with the player. If I see you, then you must go with the player. So guys, I'm gonna count 20 right now. There's employees here. There's employees here. 1, 2, 3. I didn't record that part, so I'm gonna make again, guys. Yo, guys, I don't know that, but I saw a guy there looking at the cameras. I think he's looking. I think they saw it drinking. Now they're looking for it, guys. Guys, I'm not sure, guys, but let's hope it's not that, guys. Read them is hiding. I'm gonna look for them now in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shani, guys, is saying rennen. Shani is rennen. Yun nakikala kay cameras. Look at the cameras. Sorry? Huh? Yan ko siya. Umvik. Come boy. Guys, the employees is catching up, guys. I'm gonna pause and when I give it. Read! Hey boy, Reed, come here, boy. Look here, bro. They are looking at the cameras.
Huh?
They are looking at the cameras. Let's go. We're live, bro. You're the Reed, bro. Let's go. Watch who's, guys. We're going now, guys. We can't stay any longer here, guys. This is a very bad idea, guys. We're going. Alright, let's go. Watch who's. The things now. We're getting out of here, dog. We're getting out of here.
Yeah, bro, this is way too. Like, bro, they were checking the camera. man. Now we gonna eat this, bro.
Let's get out of here. Thank you, sir. No, let's just get out of here. Oh? Baka na si Hangang. Okay, guys, we are still in the grocery, but we're not in Boxer, guys. So it still counts. We're gonna look for the ball here. We're gonna look for some things in here. Just wait some time, guys.
Some Sprite.
Bruh, read, bruh. You know. We're making a vlog, mama. Yeah. Shout out to this ma'am, this beautiful lady. Beautiful lady. You already on it. No, never. You done so beautiful.
Where's the ball, sir?
The polo. Vicky's looking for a boot. Rugby boots. That like the Michael has this boots I choose. I was gonna buy this boot, but it was a blue one, I think. Yeah, it was a blue one. Let's see this one. This almost look like a Nike. Nice. Would it fit you?
Ja.
Nee, I choose.
Nee, small. Size 6 dus, bro.
Size 6. Zal het pas?
Is toch weer 5 als je.
A 5? Nee, bro.
Ja, 6 wel.
Ga je die boot? Are you gonna buy the boot?
No, not now, bro.
Huh?
Not now.
Ask me how much is the boot.
You can see it in here, bro.
Where is it?
What in your is
200.
Okay.
Okay.
200.
Let's go now, guys.
Let's eat, bro.
Not here, mos in the story, bro. Relax.
If I say it, I want to give you.
The ball is in front.
Boy. I don't say
The balls is there in front.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo! Guys,
It's a grab shot.
this lady's following us, guys, so we can't do it. So we wanted to eat in here, but we can't because this lady's following us. Let's go check at the balls. We're going to the balls. Looking at the balls aisles. Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.